In this video, I'll be showing you the simplest way to pay your Hive fees. First of all, head to the billing section of your Hive account and you'll see the refill balance section. There are various different coins you can pay your fees with, the easiest of which would be Ethereum, since that's what the majority of people are currently mining. To find the address you need to send the coins to, you need to first head to the Select Payment Provider box and choose Hive. Then under Add Deposit Address, select Ethereum ERC20. Click Add and you'll see the addresses appear below. Click the clipboard icon under the Ethereum address to copy it. We advise you pay enough to cover your fees for 6 months to save going through the process frequently. So to figure out how much you'll need to pay, go to your farm and you'll see at the top right how much you'll be charged per day, which differs depending on the amount of rigs that you have. In this example, this 5-rig farm is costing 48 cents per day, which works out to be $87.60 for 6 months. To find out how much Ethereum that works out to be, you can type into Google USD to Ethereum and type in the USD amount. Here our 6-month fee works out to be 0.038 Ethereum at today's market price. Next, open your Binance if that's the exchange you use. If you don't have any Ethereum already, you'll need to purchase some to pay your fees. To do this, head to Buy Crypto in Binance, select the amount in USD you want to buy, select Ethereum, put your card details in and hit Buy. Now that you have Ethereum, head to your wallet and click Withdraw. Select Ethereum as the coin, paste the Ethereum address you copied to your clipboard from Hive earlier, and select ERC20 under the network. It's vitally important that you make sure you've copied the ERC20 address in Hive, as well as selecting the ERC20 address in Binance, otherwise you may lose your coins by sending them to the wrong address. Finally, put the amount of coins you worked out you need to send earlier into the amount box. You may notice the final amount you'll withdraw will be less than the amount you put in because of fees. If you want to reduce your fees, we recommend paying with Litecoin by buying or transferring Ethereum into Litecoin and paying with that instead. If you want to do this, just remember to find the Litecoin address in Hive and repeat the earlier processes in this video, such as finding out the USD to Litecoin conversion. Now hit withdraw and enter your 2-factor authentication codes, and you should see the balance showing within Hive within an hour or two, although it can take up to 24 hours. You've now paid your Hive fees and can mine for the amount of time you've paid for. Thanks for watching, and for more mining tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to Easy Crypto Hunter.